Here are the microfiber wholesale towels with a custom made logo on it. I got my logo made on it and I want to show you the texture. This yellow towel in particular, I've used it a handful of times. It's been washed and dried and it's still in amazing condition. There is no raised texture to the ink. I don't know how they got it on the towel. Obviously it's some type of printing system, but you don't feel it. It doesn't have that like plasticky feel. Like if you touch a jersey and the number was like ironed on, it doesn't feel like that at all. It feels just like the microfiber. It's like ink on a microfiber. That's literally what it feels like. So there's no crunchy texture, no rough texture. It folds easily, it washes easily, it dries great, and I really love it. I think it's amazing quality. This is great if you own a cleaning business, a hair salon, a bakery, anything that you have towels, get your custom logo made on the towel, give it out as gifts, use it in your business. I think they're really, really cool to have. Great gifts to give to clients, great way to advertise your business. So use my link down below to check it out. But again, look at the quality. There's lots of different colors. I have white towels and I have yellow towels with my logo. Really great quality, microfiber wholesale. They're here in America. Grab it with my link down below. I can't say enough about how great the quality of the towel is. It's just really, really good quality. And if you have the cloth with your custom logo on it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Okay, check this out. Customized logo cleaning cloths. And I got it in yellow as well. Another thumbs up because it gets the Crunchified Clean seal of awesomeness. Yay! Look at this. Look how big these are. What a great job you did. Who are you again? I could say, look, it's Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. You are a walking billboard with your business name on it. I feel like I'm doing a magic trick. Ta-da! Oh, it's magic. Ta-da! Look at the quality of these cloths. Very durable. Soft. Very demure. Very nice size. Check it out, Microfiber Wholesale. They make amazing cleaning cloths. You can get your business logo on it. See, it doesn't bleed through the other side. I love it. And then you just wash them. Do not use bleach on microfiber. Obviously don't use bleach, especially because it has a dye on it. And then when you dry it, do not use fabric softener. Check out my other videos on how to properly wash microfiber so that they last a long time. So check out my link down below. When you use my link, I do earn commission and I will make some money, so that will help me out and my assistant. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I love their products, love their cloths. So this is pretty cool that you can get your custom company logo written on it.